This is Thomas enjoying his musical mobile, and he seems quite interested by the little animals that are on there as he spins around on the mobile. You can see him kicking his legs. He quite enjoys this little toy. He's following, and then he catches onto the next one as it comes around, and lets go, and then he gallops onto the next one. You enjoying that, Thomas? Are you? Good boy.